Hey Augusta and North Augusta. We're excited to share that crews are close to final completion for the I-20 at Savannah River Bridge Replacements project. Recently, new lanes opened in Georgia and South Carolina. The project replaced and widened the 4 existing I-20 bridges over the Augusta Canal and Savannah River, and widened nearly 2 interstate miles from the Georgia Welcome Center to West Martintown Road Exit 1. The completed project brings modern design features as the previous bridges were built in the 1960s. By widening from 4 to 6 lanes, the reconstructed bridges are better suited to handle current and future traffic volumes. Right now, nearly 70,000 vehicles pass through daily. Additionally, the West Martintown Road interchange receives safety and operational improvements at the I-20 eastbound off-ramp connection. This venture marks the first bi-state agreement between Georgia and South Carolina for a design-build project with work zones on both sides of the river. Throughout the project, we've worked closely with all local government and state DOT stakeholders to ensure the new infrastructure meets the highest possible standards. We want to thank you, our customers, for your patience during this project's long construction life and over the next few weeks as the punch list is completed. Be sure to follow our GDOT channels for the latest news and updates.